Hey, how's everyone doing? Landon here. Hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, just take a second to subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video. So this will primarily be an unboxing video, but I will also quickly walk through the smartwatch setup and how it links with my smartphone, which is a Samsung Galaxy S10. So be sure to check back soon and I'll have a full review video. I just want to spend a good amount of time with it and learn as much as possible, and then I'll do a follow-up video as well. So let's check out what to expect in the box when you get this watch, and while you're watching the unboxing, I'll go over all the specs. So I bought this watch as an upgrade and replacement to my 2015 Huawei Google Watch, which was great, but after 5 years it had a lot of wear and tear and it was just time to upgrade. So I've always been a fan of Samsung. I've had an S7 Edge, now I have the S10 smartphone, and I thought it'd be good to try out something from Samsung. So I took a look, and this is their 46mm in silver. I bought this watch on Amazon.ca, so if you're interested in getting one, I'll have an affiliate link in the description. You can click on that. So now let's have a look inside the box, see exactly what you get. So just start off with the watch on top. Very nice, minimalistic, simplistic packaging here. I always love the packaging in all these smartphones and smartwatches and smart devices. The packaging in the past few years has gotten really cool and just fun to unbox, and that's why I'm showing this now. So we're taking a look in here. It's got two compartments on each side. You get a USB cable, that's your charging cable. And this cable is your power source, which connects to the charging dock, which is a magnetic charging dock. You can see that here. All right, now moving over to the other side of the packaging, you get a couple things in here. You get a quick setting guide, which is just like a quick start setup if you need to look at that. It's also available online. And then in a little package here, you get your travel adapter or your USB wall plug, whatever you want to call it. That's going to connect to the USB cable, which will then connect to your charging dock. And then you also get a smaller strap. The watch comes with the larger strap, so if you have a smaller wrist, this would probably be more ideal for you to use. And there we go. That's pretty much everything. Well, that is everything, minus the instruction book, just having it laid out here so you can have a look again. Quick look. So there you go. Watch, small strap, which I didn't realize it came with at first. Charging cable, charging dock, travel adapter, and there's a quick setting guide like I mentioned. But who reads the instructions? Nobody. So that's why I'm not showing it. Let's take a closer look at the watch now. And here's a closer look at the small strap compared to the larger strap, just to give you a perspective on how they compare. So that's definitely useful if you have a smaller wrist, or if you have a giant wrist. You can use the stock one that's built in. So just having a quick look here at the build quality. Overall, really nice. It's got a good weight in the hand. Doesn't feel like a cheap plastic watch. It's a combination of metal and plastic, and you can see here it's got a cool rotating bezel, and I'll show you how that works a little bit later. It's got two buttons on it, a back key and a home key, and on the back you can see for a second there it has an HR sensor. So powering it on for the first time, here we go. And I'm going to let this part run in real time just to show you exactly how long it takes to do the setup. I could skip through this and do fast motion, but this will show you that it's actually a really easy setup. You can see here it's going to connect in a moment to my S10. I have a Samsung S10 smartphone, which I haven't done anything on. I haven't installed any Samsung software to connect to this watch. It's you'll see in a second here, it's actually pretty cool how it actually finds it and will download the software automatically. So right here you can see the official name. It's 13B2 is the model number of this watch. It's just waiting for me to get started by swiping up. So it's waiting for me there to swipe up and get started. And it's telling me to go onto my smartphone and download the Galaxy wearable app. So at this point, I can't speak for how this works on other smartphones, but the software is getting ready on my phone, or at least it's detecting the device. And one option you also have here, if you don't have a smartphone, you can see here, if you don't have a device that you want to connect with, you have the option. If you want to use your watch without connecting to your phone, tap here. So you can use it on its own, which I kind of think would be very limiting, but it's an option and it's there for you if you want to do that. And surprisingly, it's already done that for me. My phone is seeing that the device is available, the new smartwatch, and when I go to add it as a device, it downloads the Galaxy Wearable app directly from its own store. It has a store that's separate from the Google Play Store. So here you can see we're doing the allow, making the watch have connectivity to my phone. It's going to be allowed to make phone calls, connect to the camera, I'm pretty sure it connects to everything. So if you don't want it to, I don't know if the pair up will fail, but I'm just giving it full access for now and we can take a look later. So here's the full connection. This is a Bluetooth pairing and you can see here that it's already done. So at this point, it's just doing a quick app installation, which takes no time at all. Almost done here. And of course, because I said that, the last 1% took forever. Finishing the pairing, and we should be good to go at this point. I wasn't watching the clock, pun intended, but you can see the setup is done and we're ready to go. It's now asking for more access to all my settings, all my app features, I guess, calendar, contacts, all that kind of stuff. And here it can give you a quick demo of all the features it has. You can check out voice services, find your watch. I'm just skipping that for now. I will show that in a future demo. And if you already had a watch that was backed up, say this was a replacement for one that, I don't know, got broken or lost, and you had a backup, you can do a restore now. So just pulling off the protective screen cover. Once you do that, it's yours, you own it, you break it, you buy it. And at this point, we're just getting ready here, just testing out the rotating bezel for the first time. It has a pretty cool feeling in the hand. It's got like a solid metal clicking sound. I'll show that in the full demo and review. Press the back key. Of course, the first time you start up, it's going to have a few little quick how-tos. And so quickly showing how to use the bezel, how to get around. I'll let the watch just speak for now. So the Galaxy Watch has apps installed locally on the watch itself, and they are updated through the app on your phone, your smartphone. So it's got a bunch to do here, so I'll let it go ahead and do those right now. So there we go. There's a quick unboxing, and you can see how easy that setup was with the Samsung Galaxy S10. I can only assume it's also that easy with the Galaxy S20 and other smartphones. Hopefully it works as well. I think Samsung paired with a Samsung device, two Samsung devices paired together will probably work the best because they're made together, they're programmed together. I'm sure they're made to work the best together. Don't quote me on that, but that's my feeling on it. You can see the beautiful default watch face there, and here's how it looks on my wrist. and just a few close-ups. So that's going to wrap up this video. Again, I mentioned if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click a like on this video, and check back in the future. I will have a full walkthrough of this watch after I've had more time to play with it. So again, this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 46mm, and my name is Landon, and thanks for watching Lano 27 Tech, and we'll see you again soon.